Hi, all this is Files here. I'm doing videos today, and I would like to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you're getting ready for the holidays and everything's well. Get all that aside, and I'm going to do Depot Seeds review on this shark bite. Burp, 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 burp. Anyway, everybody I'm sure knows what a shark bite is. Maybe not. That's why you're looking at this video. Shark bites replace sweat fittings or glue fittings on plumbing. This happens to be a valve. The valves I like. The valves are almost the same price as any other valve that you can buy, slip, sweat, spit. Anyway, you can't really do it with spit, so don't try it. Anyway, I like the valves. I also have, this is the valve. See? Valve. Quarter turn means you turn it a quarter turn for it to turn off and on. You don't have to turn it 20 times. It's just on, off. Okay? This is where your water line comes in. So if you're doing it for a toilet, this would go against the wall. And then this is your supply line. And yes, they're both slip. So you're both shark bite fittings. You can slide it right in and presto, done. You have to cut it the right size and make sure your tubing is the right size. But these, as it says on the package, PEX, CPVC, copper, and PERT. PERT. I gotta find out what that is. All right, so I'm also including this in the review. This is a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch CTS PVC. They're just different material piping, which means they have a different OD. So the OD is important because that's what your fitting is made for. That's outside diameter. Okay, this is a coupling. This is a fitting. Now these can get kind of costly compared to slip or sweat. You can get slip or sweat pretty a lot cheaper than you can these shark bites. So see, it has a shark on it. That's how you know it's a shark bite, because there's a lot of other companies coming out with these right now. But I do like the shark bite. It is pretty reliable. Don't have to worry about your house leaking while you're away. But in any event, you have to worry about that. Could happen, but it doesn't happen that often. I don't worry about it when I leave. You definitely don't have to worry about it when you have a shark bite in place. Okay, I will say one thing. Going back to the valve. The valve is nice, almost the same price as sweat or glue, but I will tell you, when you sweat or glue it in place, it stays in place. So when you turn the valve on and off, this is not going to move, or your sweat or your glue is not going to move. This one, however, unless this supply from the toilet or from your sink is dead on tight, okay, you're going to have to hold this fitting when it's in the wall, on the wall. You're going to have to hold it to turn the valve. Otherwise, it's going to have movement, because these shark bites do not stay stationary in the same place. You can move them back and forth. That doesn't mean they leak. They will not leak, which is amazing. You can roll these side to side, and they will work great. So, what else do we have? We have the special way to get them off. So I am going to show you a unique way to get these pipes on and off. The reason for using a shark bite is because you can slide these things on and off, and I'm about to show you how.